choice for users who prefer simplicity and ease of use. In conclusion, both the Samsung Galaxy A52 and Google Pixel 4a offer excellent value for their price ranges, with each device offering unique features and advantages. The Galaxy A52 boasts a larger display, a more advanced camera setup, and better gaming performance, making it a great choice for users who prioritize these features. The Pixel 4a, on the other hand, offers exceptional camera quality and a clean, bloatware-free Android experience, making it a great choice for users who prefer simplicity and ease of use. Ultimately, the choice between these two devices will depend on the user's personal preferences and priorities. However, both devices offer excellent value for their price ranges and provide a great user experience for mid-range smartphone users. The mid-range smartphone segment, priced between $300 to $600 used, offers an interesting mix of features and performance for a reasonable price. This range used to be dominated by Asian brands like Samsung and Huawei, but recent entrants from Apple, Google and OnePlus have heated up the competition. Here we compare some of the top players in this mid-tier segment based on features, specs, value and ecosystem. The iPhone SE 2020 starts at $399 and offers the powerful A13 Bionic processor and great cameras in an affordable iPhone. Its 4.7-inch display is compact and the design feels familiar, though the bezels are dated. The iPhone SE offers flagship-caliber performance, long software support and the coveted iOS ecosystem. However, it lacks many modern features like an OLED screen, wireless charging and water resistance. The Google Pixel 4a is priced at $349 and offers a compelling mix of value, performance, and software. It has a smaller 5.8-inch OLED display, a capable 12MP camera and the same great Pixel software and camera features as its flagship siblings. The Snapdragon 730G chip ensures smooth performance and the Titan M security module enhances privacy. However, the design is plain, it only has one rear camera and there's no wide-angle lens. The OnePlus Nord starts from $399 and competes strongly on both hardware and software. The 6.4-inch AMOLED display has an in-screen fingerprint sensor and a 90Hz refresh rate. You get a triple camera setup, all-day battery life and fast charging. The Snapdragon 765G chip provides enough horsepower while Oxygenos offers a clean Android experience with useful extra features. However, availability is still limited and OnePlus update track record is inconsistent. Samsung's Galaxy A51 starts around $399 and offers a versatile quadruple rear camera system including a 48MP main, 12MP wide, 5MP macro and 5MP depth sensors. The 6.5-inch Super AMOLED Infinity O display has a slim bezel design and in-screen fingerprint sensor. The Exynos 9611 chip delivers smooth performance for most users and a large 4000 mAh battery keeps it running all day. However, Samsung's software can be cluttered and bloated at times. The Redmi Note 9 Pro from Xiaomi starts around $249 and is one of the best values in this segment. You get a large 6.67-inch Full HD Plus display, quad rear cameras including a 64MP main lens, a massive 5020 mAh battery and 33 watts fast charging. The MediaTek Helio G85 chip provides decent all-around performance for the price. However, the combination of plastic design, lower-end chip and lack of NFC may disappoint some users seeking a more premium experience. In summary, smartphones in the mid-range market offer compelling combinations of performance, features and affordability for most users. Brands like Google, Apple and OnePlus have helped elevate this segment by bringing top-notch software, updates and build quality at competitive prices.